Hello my friends. Here's a concise summary of the N100 MiniPc with 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake-N100 Processor. The N100 MiniPc packs impressive power into its compact design. Powered by the 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake-N100 Processor, it offers 4 cores and 4 threads, with a base clock speed of up to 3.4 GHz. With 8GB DDR5 RAM running at 4800 MHz and a 512GB M2 NVMe SSD, it ensures smooth multitasking and fast storage access. The dual 4K display support, fast connectivity options, and versatile applications make it suitable for video editing, streaming, and everyday tasks. Whether you're a content creator or need a reliable home computer, the N100 delivers performance in a small package. For more details, you can find this product on the link in the description in our Black Sales.